Good morning, dear student. Myself Vinod Singh. Today I will teach you class ninth biology chapter first cell. Today I will discuss about the cell and their types. You know in previous class about cell. Cell is a structural and functional unit of life. On the basis of contribution, cell are mainly two types: prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, the cell in which a true nucleus is absent. That means you can say that nucleus are not found and membranous organelles are absent are called prokaryotic cell. Pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. That means you can say primitive nucleus, that means nucleus are absent. Instead, a primitive nucleus may be present. Prokaryotic cells are represented by bacteria, mycoplasma, cyanobacteria such as Nostoc inabina, Oscillatoria, and Spirulina, etc. Some important feature of prokaryotic cells. First feature, absence of a true nucleus. That means I tell you nucleus are absent in prokaryotic cell. Absence of nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane are also absent. Therefore, there is no differentiate of protoplasm into cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. That means when you observe the prokaryotic cell, you cannot differentiate protoplasm, cytoplasm, and nucleoplasm. The genetic material DNA lives in cytoplasm. Other membrane-bound organelles such as Golgi apparatus, ER means endoplasmic reticulum, and mitochondria, that means mitochondria is a powerhouse of cell, are also absent. The ribosomes are 70s type. Cell wall does not contain cellulose or chitin. Instead, it is a form of polypeptidoglycan units. Genetic material is represented by a single nuclear DNA molecules besides main DNA. Some extra chromosomal DNA, that means you can say plasmid, it is also present. It is also called plasmid. Plasmid means extra chromosomal DNA. Plasmid means extra chromosomal DNA. Clear? Since mitochondria are absent, that means powerhouse of cell, that means support energy is absent. The plasma membrane forms some enfolding cells called mesosomes, which are associated with energy production, ATP formation, adenosine triphosphate. These cells divided by simple method of binary and multiple fission, spindle formation is absent. That means some prokaryotic cells are given below: Oscillatoria, Spirulina, Nostoc, Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma, PPLO, that is a short name. Plasma pneumonia like algae. This is the smallest living organism. And second, eukaryotic cells. There are well-developed and advanced cells with a true nucleus. That means in eukaryotic cell, well-developed nucleus are present, and membrane-bound cell organelles All higher organisms are composed of eukaryotic cells. That means we can mention important feature of eukaryotic cells. First, nucleus is very well developed, surrounded by double-walled true nuclear membrane. That means outer and inner membrane. DNA, dinucleic acid, and genetic material is located inside the nucleus. DNA is not circular in nature. DNA is associated with histone protein. Ribosomes are usually attached to ER. That means ER concluded surrounding the nucleus is two surface ER. Yes, ER, that means smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are the 80 S types, which consist of 40 S and 60 S subunit. Mitochondria is present where energy production, ATP formation takes place. That means we discussed briefly about the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. That means in this chart mention properties prokaryotics and eukaryotics. Properties are size. Prokaryotic cell size is smaller, and eukaryotic in comparison of prokaryotic cell is larger. Cellular nature, mostly unicellular. That means prokaryotic cell are mostly unicellular, and eukaryotic cell unicellular as well as multicellular. Nuclear membrane, in prokaryotic cell nuclear membrane are absent, and eukaryotic cell nuclear membrane are present. Nucleus, in prokaryotic cell nucleus absent. Nucleoplasm is openly present in cytoplasm, and it is called nucleates. In eukaryotic cell, well-developed nucleus are present. Nucleolus. Nucleolus in prokaryotic cell absent and eukaryotic cell present. Cell wall mostly present in eukaryotic, present but absent in animal. In animal, that means cell membrane are found. Mitochondria absent. Respiratory enzyme are associated with plasma membrane enfolding, that means mesosomes, and well-developed mitochondria are found in eukaryotic cell. Place of respiration. Place of respiration will be held text in prokaryotic cell mesosomes, in eukaryotic cell cytoplasm and mitochondria. Centriole. Centriole in prokaryotic cell absent. Centriole mostly found in animal cell. In eukaryotic present in animal cell only. Plant cell, in plant cell में सेंट्रियोल नहीं पाया जाता है. इन प्लांट सेल सेंट्रियोल आर एब्सेंट. Flagella, simple structure composed of protein flagellin. In eukaryotes, complex structure shows 9 plus 2 arrangement of mitochondria, extra chromosomal DNA, that is plasmid. In prokaryotic cell present and eukaryotic cell absent. Thank you.